Hey, beautiful and marvelous people! I'm so sorry about my screen. It's broken, but it's too expensive to change it for now. So today I will show you some tricks on Instagram. So let's see if you already know them or not. Okay, to start, open a live photo on your stories. Keep your finger on the screen and Instagram will turn it into a boomerang. If you do it again, it returns to the normal picture. Today it's all about stories, so I will teach you how to put some colors on your texts. It can be a little bit tricky and you need both of your hands on your phone. Write your text normally. Select it all, then tap one color and the text pin. Slide both of your fingers at the same time and ta-da! You have a colored text. And of course you can do it with all the colors you want. For some of you, this is a basic tool, but some people still ask me how I put the colors on the background of my stories. It's very easy. Take a random picture, then tap on the paint icon. Select a color and keep your finger on the screen. To add some pictures or images on your stories, open your gallery, choose a picture and tap copy. When you open Instagram, a pop-up will appear with the image that you copied. To find your personalized emojis, open your text, slide to the left, and here they are. The other question is how to put a glow on the background of your emojis. Select your emoji and think about it as a text. The background of your emojis will work the same as your text options. So be creative and use them wisely. Finally, you can search for Instagram filters. You just have to slide everything for your right and you will see the search tool. And that's all. I hope it helped you and be creative. Have fun!